Okay, so I went to Home Depot and bought some foam for my replacement kayak. And I told you I sold it. I went to that veteran because he was looking for an inexpensive kayak to get out on the water. And I told him I'd help him out and sell him that one for what I had in it. So I bought these panels at Home Depot they gave me a discount because they're slightly damaged, and I'm kind of figure that I'm going to cut most of it out anyway. I got them for $27 a sheet instead of $37 because of their damage. This is where they had it strapped down. And if I don't use them, I can actually return them and get my 27 bucks back. So that's about $90 for 3 sheets of foam. When I get ready to start cutting them up, I'll make sure I can use what I can use and then return what I don't, because I don't believe I'm going to need 3 sheets. I still have some leftovers in the garage. I've got this sitting in here in this room because the garage is full right now. I've got a Ford Ranger in there I'm trying to get rid of, and the boat's still in there. So here we are with video number 1. It's not very exciting, but it is day 1. All right, I'll see y'all on the next deal, and we should be cutting stuff up pretty quickly.